Essay on wheat in English. The chief food of cows, horses, sheep, and men is the same. They all eat grass. These animals eat the leaves of grass. We eat the seeds. Wheat is a kind of grass. We grind its seeds into flour. Of wheat flour we make bread. And bread is our chief food. Bread is called the staff of life. In India, wheat is a rabi or spring food crop. The seed is sown in the cold weather. The harvest is reaped in March or April. When the wheat has been reaped, it is threshed. The seeds are beaten out of their husks or hard coverings. Then the wheat is winnowed. The seeds and dry husks are tossed up in the wind. The wind blows away the light husks or chaff. The heavy seeds are left behind. The seeds then go to the miller. He grinds them into flour. The baker makes loaves of bread with the flour. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.